Prepare forklift, unload wooden boxes. When you receive the package, above is the wire feeder. Unpack the outer carton of welding machine body, then remove the waterproof layer. There is a fixed tray under the machine. Unscrew the set screws. Move it to the ready position. Unpack the auto wire feeder. It will feed wire while welding. Take it out by the handle. Usually the accessories are placed inside. This box contains the welding head assembly, welding nozzles, wire nozzles, etc. Usually we will send an extra set. This is the wire feeder tube, safety clip and others assembly. Cut the plastic harness. Let's connect the wiring of the machine. Machines below to kW are equipped with single-phase electrical power. 3 kilowatts adopt 3-phase electrical power. Live, neutral and ground. Connect them by tag. Let's connect the ground first to prevent leakage. Must make sure it is connected before powering on. If not, it will endanger the safety of the operator and the machine itself. Connect the neutral and live wires in the same order. Please complete the design of the factory circuit in advance. If not, you can refer to the following simple method. Find a steel bar long enough. Nailed into the ground after sharpening, as deep as you can. Organize the wires. Next is the gas line connection. It is recommend this pressure gauge with ball display, which we can intuitively see the gas volume and pressure. Mounting bracket for welding head. Remember to remove the lower fixing bracket, so that the machine is easy to move by wheels. Open the cabinet and add water. Disinfected clean water is best. Estimated water consumption is 13 liters. Stop when the water level line is in the green area. Next we install the wire feeder assembly. The interface of the power is on the back. Plug in the power cord of it. The bearings of the wire can be replaced. Can be adjusted according to kind and diameter of wire. Leave about 2 millimeters after the wire feeding tube is inserted. Unscrew the shaft of the welding wire counterclockwise. Put welding wire on, 1.2 millimeters diameter, then through the entrance, into the wire feeding pipe. Fix switches on both sides. Connect the outlet of the wire feed line. Fasten it under the torch. Tighten after passing through the retaining ring. Turn on the wire feeder switch. Wait for the welding wire to reach the exit. Installing the wire feed nozzle. After power on, turn off the laser enable first. Test the pressure of the gas first. Then click process. There are 9 pre-stored buttons. Setting according to the kind and thickness of materials. Skin speed, width, peak power we can see. Set according to material thickness. We use 1200W. Click Save and Import. Return to home page and we can see the parameters. Laser correction is required before use. You can set though this button. This machine is 0.80 millimeters. You can click Setting. Enter code. Click OK. To adjust your machine. Other parameters are also set according to your needs. After adjustment, the red indicator light is in the center, otherwise it is polarized. Need to be readjusted. If this video was useful to you, click to subscribe to my channel. If you have any opinions, you can also comment down to let me know. Thanks for watching.